To create a group on Twitter, you need to have a Twitter Blue Premium subscription. Here's how you can create a community on Twitter. First, ensure that you're subscribed to Twitter Blue. This feature is available only to premium users. Next, open the Twitter app or website and log into your account. Go to the Community section. On the mobile app, you'll find it on the navigation bar at the bottom. On the desktop version, it's available in the menu. Once you're in the Communities section, look for the option to create a new community. It may appear as a plus icon or Create Community button. Now, you'll need to set up your community by choosing a name, writing a description, and selecting the privacy settings. You can make the group public or private, depending on your preferences.